Good morning, happy campers.
Good morning.
We're coming to you today from the Coconino National Forest. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a proper Bloody Mary when you're camping. Here, we have all our supplies ready. We have our lime, salt and Tajin for the rim of the cup, vodka, Bloody Mary mix. Now, I'm going with a bold and spicy Mr. and Mrs. T's today, but you can change that up if you don't like spicy, or, you know, if you're on the beach, you might want to go with Clamato instead. It's your choice. Worcestershire sauce, Cholula, horseradish, and some garlic stuffed olives. But the most important thing when you're making a Bloody Mary, while you're camping, lots of vodka. And we're going to start with the bacon. Okay? Because you got to get your bacon cooking before you start doing anything. Okay? Because who wants a Bloody Mary when they're camping without bacon in it? Right?
It would be a travesty.
It would be. Total travesty.
Can I put it on now?
You can put the bacon on now. So here we've got our Blackstone griddle all heated up, ready for the bacon to go on.
Because it's smoking.
Now there's lots of different kinds of bacon that you can get. I like to go with flavored bacon because it just adds a little touch of something to your Bloody Mary. A nice peppered is really good. Today we're going with a cowboy rub. I'm going to give that a try, see how it comes out. I think it'll be quite tasty. Listen to that bacon sizzle. Don't skimp on your bacon when you're using it for Bloody Marys. You do not want a thin cut bacon in your Bloody Mary. It'll just fall apart and you'll have bacon crumbles at the bottom. You like a nice thick, juicy piece of bacon that's going to stand up. Make sure to put it in there while it's greasy still too. Gives it lots more flavor. Okay, while that bacon's cooking, we're going to start prepping our cup. Okay, I'm going to start prepping my cup for the Bloody Mary here. We're going to start by slicing a lime. Make sure it's right, nice and juicy. We're going to take the lime and we're going to rub it around the rim of our cup, like so, making sure to cover all areas. Okay. Then we're going to pour out some salt and some Tajin onto our plate here. We're going to take the cup and we're going to dip that rim into that, making sure to get good coverage all the way around. It's going to give us a little flavor when we take a sip. It's going to be really nice. So now that we've got our Tajin on our cup, we'll put our ice in, and we're going to pour in our vodka. You can use whatever kind of vodka you like. Make sure you give it a good pour though. It's more enjoyable that way. Now for our Bloody Mary mix. We want to make sure we shake it up really good before we pour it. And that's just going to go right in there just like that. We're going to give a splash of Worcestershire. You can do this to taste, however you like it. A little bit of Cholula in there, because I like mine extra spicy. Some horseradish. And again, you can use as much horseradish as you like. Do it to taste. That's what I normally do. And we're going to top it with a little bit of juice from the garlic stuffed olives. Here's our bacon, nice and greasy, and it's just going to go right in there. And I'm just going to use the bacon and stir it up. Okay, as you can see here, I've topped my Bloody Mary off, not only with the bacon, but also with a couple of those delicious garlic stuffed olives. And it is ready to drink. Now we have a proper camping Bloody Mary. Cheers! Happy camping!